Are you smart enough to name all animals? It's impossible to name the last one. There will be a bonus at the end. First one, let's go! Hedgehog. Second one. Elephant. Third one. Duck. If you got 3 so far, like the video. Fourth one. Dolphin. Fifth one. Flamingo. Sixth one. Kangaroo. If you got 6 so far, make sure to subscribe. Time for the 7th one. Koala. 8th one. Chameleon. 9th one. Lemur. If you get the last one correct, Einstein would be proud of you. Don't forget to comment your score and like the video. Here it comes! Hyena. I got a question for you.